Hello, my beautiful friends. Welcome. My name is Christina Marie from BeautyAmaB. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxing, spoilers, and giveaway. Today, I have the monthly eyeshadow palette for the month of November. It is from Chica Beauty. It is the Fiesta Mini eyeshadow palette. We will talk about it, do some swatches, do some looks, let you know what you need to do in order to win your very own one of these. So all the looks, all the swatches, everything is done off of my palette. Yours will be untouched, unswatched, perfect, ready for you to go. It'll leave here in pristine condition. What happens in the mail, I am not responsible for. Giveaways are really easy. Be subscribed in order to win. And somewhere in today's video is going to be a secret word that you're going to need to know for today's giveaway. So if you haven't subscribed yet, I invite you to do so. We're such a fun, laid-back group here. If you could do me a favor, hit that bell button, mark it to all. And if you are watching on a mobile device, go into your settings. I want you guys to know when I upload. Definitely want you guys to know when I do giveaways because I do them a lot. I am filming today 2.5 giveaways. Like I said, I do them a lot here on the channel. So the Fiesta palette, let's take a look at the inside so you can see it. Like I said, this one is mine. That's been swatched and used. So versatile. So this is their best selling 9-pan palette. It does retail for $15. What Chica Beauty says about it is our Fiesta Mini eyeshadow palette is inspired by the city of San Antonio's annual vibrant festival fiesta. Celebrate with us as we capture the colors, culture, and joy of our founders' hometown music and cuisines. Let every day be a fiesta for you. So Pan Dolce here is a matte, a delicate or creamy ivory color reminiscent of delicious Mexican sweetbread. I use this all the time because it fits my natural coloring as to set my eyeshadow primer. Spicy, this center one, is a matte, warm, earthly color that combines the softness of peach with the richness of terracotta. It's like a sun-kissed blend of pink and orange. I use this one as a transition a lot of the time. Sangria, this outer one, is a pearl satin, a rich and vibrant shade inspired by the deep burgundy hue of the popular Spanish wine. I love a good sangria, just saying. This one works great as a crease color. So that top row is right here. Boots, here's also pearl satin. It is an earthly brown shade that reminds us of Grandpa Abula's leather cowboy boots. Oh, love churros. Is also a pearl satin. It's this one right here. It is a warm and golden brown color reminiscent of crispy cinnamon sugared freshly baked churros. We can taste it now. The Chica right here is a pearl satin, a gentle light shade of pink with a touch of iridescent shimmer celebrating the sparkle inside all of us. It's my favorite shade in the palette. Cascaron is a matte, a festive silvery color blend of turquoise and teal, blue cascaronis bursting with confetti. And Stars at Night is a mesmerizing combination of a deep black, vibrant blue sparkles reflective of the night sky. I have that in the outer corner of my lid today. I mean, just look at those. So pretty. And there is the palette. Okay, let's get into a couple of the looks. So I want to go for kind of a pink look today. I do want to start off with this one here. Just as an all over shade. Just kind of setting down that primer. Then I want to deepen that with this shade here. crease as well. Concentrating on that outer corner. And then I want to take this one here and like the inner half of the lid and take this purple shimmer in the outer half. It's definitely a lot warmer than it looks in the pan, this kind of purple shade right here. And I want to take of that shade that we kind of used to deepen up the crease, just a little bit in the outer corner here. Bring in whatever's left in. Okay, let me put some mascara on and I'll be right back. Here's the finished look. Be right back with my next look. So I'm experimenting. We'll see if this will work. I'm thinking about using, the bottom half now. I think I can get it to work. The one I don't know is about this green. Trying to get that. If I also use this one, we'll make it work. I do want to start off with this one, just setting down my eyeshadow primer. And then I want to go into this one here as a transition shade. I am going to go into my crease a little bit with this one here on the inner third, just very, very lightly. And then let's go into that green in the outer portion. Ooh, it's really pigmented. I want to run a little bit of this one underneath. Especially that outer third. Okay, really easy. Inner third. Middle. Those two colors look really good together. And the outer third. Go back into that middle and try and blend that a little bit. And then I want to put a little bit of this just in the corner of this one right here. Okay, let me put some mascara on and I'll be right back. So here's the finished look. Be right back with my final thoughts. So what did you guys think? I thought it was a pretty good palette. I will say my two favorite shades are this one here, this pink pearl satin. Love that. And then my least favorite shade in here would be this green matte here, the one in the center. It can just be a little patchy and just requires some extra blend with it. So what did you guys think? Do you like it? Do you not? Let me know all that in the comments down below. If you want to win your very own one of these, in the description box down below is a Google form. Make sure to fill it out. Only fill it out once, and make sure to put on it your YouTube name so I can verify yes, you are subscribed to the channel. Also, make sure to put on it a secret word, which is Fiesta, F-I-E-S-T-A. You can't get bonus entries. How the bonus entries work is you only fill out the form once. But like I said, you can't get bonus entries. And what they are is you mark on it if you did actually do them. Only mark if you did, because I don't want to see you guys get disqualified. So your first bonus entry is if you follow me on Instagram. That handle is BeautyAmaB, A-M-A, followed by the letter B. Your second way is if you share this with your family, friends, social media accounts. It really helps the channel grow when you guys do that, and I wanted a way to say thank you. YouTube is no way affiliated with this. This is me giving back to you to brighten somebody's day, and you must be 18 years old or older or have your parents' permission to enter. The giveaway is open internationally. I am then not responsible for duties, taxes, fees, lost in transit, damaged, anything extra for it to get to you, and make sure that giveaways are legal in your country. Let's let the giveaway go through December 5th, midnight Mountain Standard Time, and then after that I will come on, if everybody's done what they're supposed to be doing, take first name and first initial, the last name, put those on the computer. The computer spins all the names around. Computer picks, I don't, so don't ask to win. And then as soon as the giveaway is over, I do go ahead and delete all those forms. Your privacy is very important to me. I don't sell that information. I don't share that information. I don't create distribution lists. I don't do anything like that. So if you like the giveaway in the video, give it a big like. It really helps out the channel when you do. YouTube will now go ahead and insert a new video for you. If you have the time, I'd greatly appreciate you checking it out. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Stay safe, take care of yourselves, take care of one another, and I will see you soon. Good luck on the giveaway. Bye. Woo!